Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you some alternative MPerm algorithms that I think are faster than the original ones. So let's go. So for the first MPerm, which is the NA perm, you can recognize it by a solve bar on the right and an opposite color on the left. This is true on all faces except for yellow and white. As you can see here, a solve bar, opposite color, solve bar, opposite color, solve bar, and opposite color. So let's get started. So for this algorithm, you're gonna hold it like this, and you're going to do this. R, F, U prime, R prime, U, R, U prime, F, F prime, R2, F prime, R, U prime, R prime. And the last F, you're gonna do it like this. So a little bit faster. Now, for the second MPerm, which is the NB perm, you can recognize it like this, which is the solve bar on the left side and the opposite color on the right. This is also true on every side except for yellow and white if you're on white cross or yellow cross. So you're gonna hold it like this. And this algorithm is basically just the algorithm I showed you last time, but a left-handed version. So we do it like this. That is it. Goodbye.